This is 2025. It's no longer news that there are some common hair growth mistakes, hair care mistakes that you're probably making that is leaving your hair at a particular length. It is, promoting stunted hair growth. And without any further ado, let me tell you everything. Pay attention. This is the time that, you will pause this video, get a pen, a book, or a jotter, and jot everything I'm about to tell you because, you're getting this advice from a certified hair coach. The first thing is you need to limit the rate at which you use heat on your hair, right? I feel like most people cannot do without heat. They are either straightening their hair with heat, they are either blow drying their hair with heat, and the like. You know the list of everything, right? You need to limit the way you use your heat on your hair because you can have what we call heat damage, and you don't want it. You don't want to experience it. You don't want your hair to, all of a sudden be damaged due to your own negligence. You don't want what you have suffered to retain, like the length you've tried to retain over these years, to just go off because of too much use of heat. So try to limit the rate at which you use heat. Moving on, don't comb your hair dry, don't detangle your hair dry. Always use moisture. If you know that you want extreme breakage, that is when you will detangle your hair dry. And I know that we don't want that. I know that that is what we are running away from. So try to moisturize as often as you can by using your water, your leave-in conditioner, and you seal it up with hair butter or your hair growth oil, right? So moisture is key. If you want to see the length of your hair, you want to retain as much length as possible over the years, try as much as possible to moisturize your hair before detangling, before handling your hair, and the likes. Also, moving on, try as much as possible to sleep with a bonnet. Most of you like sleeping without wearing bonnet. I don't know why. Who taught you that? It's definitely not me, because I always preach that you should wear your bonnet or your silk scarf before sleeping. Or if you have like silk pillowcases, that one is perfect. You can use that before going to bed. It will help you to prevent friction or reduce friction between your hair and your pillow, which would in turn prevent hair breakage. Another thing is you need to prevent tying tight scarves around your edges. Ensure that you stop doing hairstyles that will cause tension around your edges. Ensure that you will stop doing things that will pull out hair from your edge line so that you will not have bowed edges or receding hairline. If you can prevent all this, your edges will do just fine. Another thing you need to know is you need to try to do low manipulative hairstyles like your cornrows, your mini twist, your mini braids. Over time, you'll be appreciative. You'll be glad you saw this video because those hairstyles will help you to retain length, and also it will help you to retain as much hair on your scalp. Like your hair will not just be pulling out at all. Moving on, ensure that you massage your scalp. Massaging is therapeutic. It is awesome. It will help to stimulate blood flow, which would in turn promote healthy hair growth. Just try it out, like week in, week out, 4 to 5 times weekly. Try it out and tell me if you will not see a difference in your hair growth. Like, you will come back and tell me. You will come and explain to me. But don't forget to also massage your edges. From your edges to your scalp, everywhere, to the back of your head, everything, massage it well, 4 to 5 times every week. You will see a change. Moving on, ensure that you try to eat well. Drink enough water, take your vitamins, eat healthy, balanced diet, chef kiss. Everything needs to be on point because you can, be doing everything on your hair and you're not eating healthy, you're not eating balanced diet, and you see that it will just be for fun, for cruise, everything. But when you have a balanced diet and you are also feeding your hair with outer nutrients, you are good to go. Moving on, ensure that your shampoo is good for your hair. The first step on your wash day, like once you're in the shower, you want to wash your hair after you put your water, is to apply shampoo. So ensure that your shampoo is good and suitable for your hair. You can get a clarifying shampoo, or you can get a shampoo that does not have products that will be damaging to your hair follicles or your hair strands. Like, just check the ingredient list and ensure that those products that you're getting or the product you're applying does not have anything that will damage your hair. Everything is just for you not to damage your hair, because a damaged hair would require you to either start over again or to trim off the affected part or to start looking for intense solutions to them. So why not prevent it with these information that I'm giving to you now? Why not prevent it? And if you want like more tips on how to grow healthy, long, bouncy hair, get my ebook. The link is in the description box. Get it. You'll be glad you did, because that's 50% off. Don't waste time, right? So with all this being said and done, yeah, my name is Joy. I'm your favorite hair coach, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.